Hello mga ka-haters, kamusta? So, again, we're going to have a European travel planning. So, I'm going to share my screen and let's see kung sino yung, kung anong country ang next na ma-feature natin. Okay? Are you ready? Let's do this. This is the wheel of European countries. Okay, let's go next to Austria. All right, let's go to Austria. And again, ang gagamitin po natin is yung travel deals affiliate link from trip.com. So this is available for all nationalities. So pupunta po tayo sa Vienna. And let's see po yung ating Google Flights. Check lang natin kung ano yung price range niya as of today, Monday. So let's see, Vienna. Austria pala, Austria. So na-feature na natin si Austria, Austria. Austria. Oops. So let's go to Salzburg, Austria. So we have here Linz, Vienna, and Salzburg. So let's go to Salzburg. Let's check. Punta na tayo dito. How much yon si Salzburg? 10,000 or 75. February 1 to February 7. So, round trip is 10,000. Tingnan lang natin yung flight details niya. February 1, 7 o'clock in the morning. And then yung return trip is ito, 7. Ito na lang. So, may layover siya sa Linz. Okay. So, 10,855 siya. So, ang round trip is 10,651. Booked with Austrian Airline. It's 10,855. So, okay, let's go. 7 a.m. Maganda yung flight niya. Okay, let's go to Salzburg. Salzburg. Check tayo. That's February 1 to 7. So, 1 week. So, again, 2 adults, 2 children. Ang children natin is 8 and 10. So again, become a member, access savings, you will get a discount up to 50% and earn trip coins when you book. So please use my link. I really appreciate it po. So yeah, here, let's go breakfast included and 2 bedrooms. Or let's say family room. Okay, 4-star hotel. Dali natin ito. 4-star. Great. Harrison sells for 4-star hotel. Go to near Central Station. Ito naman sa airport. Gawin natin siyang Ideal location, add natin. Central, close to train station. Ito, let's say this one. Great location din siya. Medyo pricey lang. Windham Grand Salzburg. Ay, ito mukhang maganda. Ito, classy environment. I think medyo malayo to sa sa city. Pero, if you want to consider, maganda rin naman siya. 4-star hotel. 900 meter to 55,000 lang. Let's see kung maganda. Amber Hotel, Bavaria. Ito malayo siya. 1.9. Howard City Center. Hotel Schwabert. Ay, ito maganda, Kempinski. Ganda rin ang price niya. Kalahating milyon. So, let's see. Check natin yan. Ito, 4-star hotel din siya. Pero malayo siya sa city center. 7 kilometer naman to. Ito 5-star hotel. Ang ganda rin yung price niya. Kalahating milyon. 1.2 kilometer. Ito naman parang villa. Villa lang siya. May apartment. Spa hotel. Ito okay din. Pero 6.6 kilometer. Ito maganda siya. Boutique hotel. 4-star. 800 meter. Mukhang maganda rin to. Ito family apartment. Boutique hotel. So, take note natin kung ano yung makuha nating hotel. Hotel price. Castus Siblik. Hotel share. House Suites. Caserera Brown. Luxury Villa Salzburg. Luxury villa. Ayun, maganda, 2-bedroom villa siya. Ito, quadruple sharing. Pero malayo, masyadong malayo siya sa city. Tsaka 3-star hotel lang siya. Farm above the roof. Salzburg. Ito medyo malayo din siya. Premium apartment. 7 kilometer. 2-bedroom. Pero masyadong malayo din to. Kailangan mo pang mag-ano yan. Okay, let's see. No additional. Okay, let's see the Villa Salzburg. Villa siya, villa. Hindi siya hotel. Pero naka 4-star siya. 17 kilometers. The bedroom is 277. Wala siyang breakfast. Okay. Ito yung mga nearest landmark niya. So, 1 kilometer for 40. Okay, let's do X natin yan. Salzburg 4-star hotel, 84. Kailangan merong breakfast. Ito, family. Ay, maganda to. Okay. For grade, it's 113,000. Then, meron siyang bunk beds na dalawa. Ito, okay to. Queen bed plus the bunk bed. So, it's 113,000 with breakfast. So, ito, check natin ha. 110 with breakfast. Family, ano siya eh, oh. Hotel na parang apartment. Oh, ganyan lang talaga siguro yung name niya. Harris Home Salzburg with breakfast. With breakfast for four bucks. Okay. Okay, so far yan ang napili natin. Next, Art Hotel Salzburg. 102. Okay, let's see. High floor extended. Great breakfast, 102. Pero ano siya eh. 31 square meter. Wala siyang bed for kids. Extended to. Okay, X na natin to. Let's see. Boutique hotel. Ito. Maganda to. Maganda siya, oh. Top view. Siguro summer yung summer to. Oh, nice. Yan kasi pag maliliit na bata, mga 4 years old, 3 years old, okay lang sa bed. Nakasama, clingy sa with the parents. Pero kapag medyo malaki na, above 6, mahirap na kasama sa bed. Masikip na. Yan, super developed. Oh. Let's go next. Romantic Spa Hotel, Alex Host Weird. Ay, maganda, may golf course. This one, maganda. Maganda siya. Okay, let's check. Motion Garden View. Pero parang wala siyang bunk bed. Garden View Deluxe Suite. Balcony and terrace. Mountain View. Panoramic Suite. Wala siyang wala siyang bed kits. So, open. And then, dito naman tayo. Ay, ang ganda. Ganda. Nice. Masarap ma-experience nito. Yung mga elegant hotel. Minsan lang naman sa buong buhay mo. 5-star hotel. 481. Family. May bed. Merong crib. Meron silang crib. Okay, maganda. Maganda siya. Oh. Crib lang ang pwede. Ang ganda naman ito. Maharlika. 4. Ayan. Sucker Sky Suite. Ay, ang ganda. Ganda niya. Ay, grabe ang ganda. Deluxe. Pero wala siyang pang lang. 2 beds. 2-person beds lang. Wala yung pang kids. Indoor spa, indoor pool, jacuzzi, may spa. Ang ganda. Alpinos. Standard single, no? Calamsky 5-star hotel. Ay, ang ganda. Nice. Ganda nito, oh. Pwede kang may silang, ano bang tawag dito? Ganda naman dito. Pang far, far away. Talagang bakasyon. Ang grande kapag dito ka nag-book. Let's say my Maisonette Suite. 152 is 54 square meter. Laki. Nice. Ganda niyan. Double room. Okay. This Cocoon Salzburg. Basic lang. Basic modern. Chic. Modern chic. Ganda. Okay, next. Let's see. Single room. Wala yung ano natin. Two-bedroom, 1 king sofa bed tapos carving. 1 king. Okay, family suite, 2-bedroom suite. Garden view. Nice. Okay. Resort retreat over. Okay. Next. Brow. Hotel in lower. Brow. Row. So, meron siyang bed na ganito for kids. Ito maganda. Sofa bed. Okay. Meron siyang sofa. Ito yung family room, 115,000. 28 square meter. Okay. Including breakfast. To breakfast lang. Ito for breakfast. Meron din siyang sofa bed. For breakfast, 143. Yung kanina natin, good for 4 na, 113. And that's Harris Home Salzburg. Family room ito rin. 2 sofa beds. Okay, okay din to. Hotel Imar Brow. Check natin to. Salzburg train station. Children's meal available, luggage, conference, Wi-Fi, golf course. So, offsite naman siya. Business center, a la carte Austrian. Breakfast, lunch, dinners. Dairy-free, gluten-free, traditional outdoor. Okay. Buffet, 22 euro per person. For kids, 11 euro per person. Okay, okay naman siya. Windham, 2 4-star. Windham. Family room, great for breakfast. Ito maganda din. 2 queen beds. Ito mas maganda. To queen bed. Dito na lang tayo. Tapos for great breakfast na. Salzburg. Ito na lang. Old na pala siya. Old na din siya. Ay, wait. Close to the train station. Check-in 2 p.m. Okay. Dito siya pwede. Family room. To great and family room dito. 124. Pero halos parehas lang siya. Dito, 123. Dito na lang tayo, 124. 124 ba 97? Salzburg. 124. 187. 4-star. Okay, next. Family room. Ito na rin yata yung kanina. Eat breakfast. Okay, next. Amadeus. Let's see. Ang ganda. Ang ganda ng mga hotels. Parang regal. Style niya. Okay, next. Family apartment. 2 double beds din siya. Okay, 2 double beds. Tapos, best price. Pero wala siyang breakfast. Okay, okay na tayo dito sa ano. Okay na tayo dito sa Windham Grand Salzburg Conference. Okay, let's go na sa attraction and tours. Attraction and tours, February 1 to 7 sa Salzburg. Salzburg. Spelling natin. Salzburg. Ayun. Salzburg State. Okay, let's see. Ito. Add natin to. Ito na lang. Hindi, ito na lang. 1-day tour. Ito to for Salzburg City Card. Salzburg Mozart. Ito with dinner. Tama natin yan. And Bavarian Mountains. Ito, Salzburg. And then, ano na tayo yan? Mountains House Salzburg. Okay, Mozart's birthplace. Best of Mozart. Half day tour. Austria. House and Sons Fortress. Salt Mine Tour. Sound of Music. Ito. English Tour. Salzburg. Mirabelle Skip. Sound of Music. Red Bull Hangar. Dome Choir Salzburg ticket. Mozart. Original Sound of Music Salt Mines. Private day tour. Ito kaya. Huwag na yan. Meron na tayo yan. Salzburg Wind Museum Apartment Residence. Sound of Music. Ang daming magagandang tour. Ito. Wala pa tayo nito. Location, sound of music, traditional lounge, lunch. Sound of music, 8 4 hours. 1 day tour, Salzburg. Salz Magic Flute, Marionette Theater. Ito okay ito sa mga kids. Salz Vienna guided tour. 1 day tour. So February 1 to 7. So we have 6 days, 7 days, 8 days. So 7 days lang yung consume natin para meron talaga. See you. Okay, add na natin to si hashtag. Select natin siya kunwari ganyan. Afternoon departure. Morning departure. Disregard na lang natin ang mga date ha, kasi palitan na lang natin sa actual. And here, our first tour. Yan, and then, next is Mozart concert. Just to ano lang. Just to add the amount para makita natin lang yung magkano yung amount niya. Next, Bavarian. Afternoon tour. 2. Sound of music. Sound of music. Fortress Mirabelle. The 4 up to 4 packs lang siya. So, no. 3 parts. Ito, ticket lang naman siya. Okay. Oops. Ticket. 6,000. Okay, let's compute this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Mag-free day na lang tayo ng free day. So, day 2, day 3, then free day, day 5 na to, day 6, then 7. And let's total everything. This is hotel with breakfast for 4, and then tours. 5 tour, 124, 197 plus 20, 114, 13, 7209, 12, 15, 33, 30, 90, then 6310. Total of 198,380 for 4 packs per person. So, for person, divide natin sa 4, that's 49,595.1. per person. Okay, so this is our tour for Salzburg, Vienna. So enjoy and experience. Okay, that's it for today. And if you want something to add, to comment, or anything you want to suggest, please comment or message me na lang. So, okay, thank you. See you again. Travel while young and able.